हाय फ्रेंड्स, सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट लेक्चर सीरीज और शॉर्ट लेक्चर सीरीज में आज आप कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सेंट्रलाइज सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट के बारे में समझेंगे। मैं आपका होस्ट प्रोफेसर मनोज कुमार राउत आपको इस कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में समझाऊंगा इस वीडियो में। सो आइए जानते हैं सेंट्रलाइज सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट क्या होता है। सो सेंट्रलाइज सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट is a system where major decisions and operations are managed from a single central locations, usually company headquarters. So काफ़ी सारे MNC companies they basically want to establish or provide the decisions or manage from a single central locations. Most of the cases, centralized supply chain management are operated by the company headquarters. यही है concept centralized supply chain management का। So आइए समझते हैं छोटा सा इमेज की हेल्प से। So this image belong to a small pharmaceutical companies and अगर आप टॉप में जो इमेज है इसमें ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम दिया हुआ है सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट का। जैसे फार्मेसी कंपनी, 4 नंबर ऑफ फार्मेसी कंपनीज enable their own logistics to send the pharma product to the wholesalers. But when you think about centralized supply chain management, the same full amount of companies use the transportations and they directly send to the transfer hub. From the transfer hub, a single transportation carrier can enable the transportation of goods from the transfer hub to the wholesaler. So यही है centralized supply chain management का। So next is how the centralized supply chain management is get benefited or make benefits for the companies. The first important point we have decision making authorities, because most of the cases it is provide the decisions, operational activities and management from the company headquarters. The second point we have that is known as inventory management, proper optimization of inventories. Third point, logistics within the central hub, increase efficiencies, cost reductions through streamlined process, optimize resource allocations. So these are the benefit of your centralized supply chain management. वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छा लगे kindly like, share and subscribe these channels. Thank you.